Have you ever heard of a man turning into a dog?
Well, they all do eventually, don't they?
Shaggy, you're back!
This is a man who hates dogs. Thanks, guys.
Good night, sir.
And through a strange circumstance,
You scared him!
Oh, he bit me.
he turns into a dog, and through being a dog, he learns to be a better human.
What's happening to me? I love you.
We hooked up with these great actors. Jane Curtin's in this. Robert Downey Jr.
I am the chief scientist. I, me, mine! Ha!
No more growling.
Silence! Quiet!
I gotta go, guys.
Tim is funny all the time.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't play the music. You're in charge.
He can't help it.
I got you now. I'm not playing prison. I got it. I am good.
Is there anyone who has not sniffed my butt?
Something smells good on video.
Oh, hi.
He's very friendly.
You're just in time. It's so good to see you. Come on in.
He's very talented.
I sure do love to cha-cha-cha.
He's Bear in the Big Blue House. Join Bear and his friends Pip and Pop, Ojo, Tutter, Trilo, and Luna.
On the moon.
And make learning a treat. From Jim Henson Television, Bear in the Big Blue House. He's what's fun on video.